Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to hide Facebook story. So let's start the video. If you want to hide your Facebook story from anyone selected or a specific people or friends without them knowing, you have to customize your story privacy. Open your Facebook app, then add a story. Click on privacy from the bottom left. Now go to hide your story. Then select whoever you want to hide your story from. Go back, it will update the settings. Now you can share your stories and it will be hide from those person you have selected. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.